Metal roofs are ideal for solar panel installation because they are durable, long-lasting, and provide a stable and secure mounting surface for solar panels. They also tend to stay cooler than other roofing materials, which improves overall panel efficiency and requires minimal maintenance. If you're considering installing solar panels on your metal roof, Evergreen's solar tin roof mounting system is an affordable and effective solution. With its ease of installation, durability, versatility, and high-quality materials, it provides a secure and flexible mounting solution that will last for years to come. The mounting rails in the system provide a strong and secure base for the panels to attach to the roof. It is also designed to accommodate both framed and unframed module types and can be installed in either landscape or portrait orientation for maximum flexibility. It comes with pre-drilled holes and mounting hardware, which makes the installation faster and simpler. Constructed with the highest quality materials such as anodized aluminium and stainless steel, it is built to withstand extreme weather conditions, including a snow load capacity of up to 100 centimetres and a wind resistance of up to 64 metres per second. These durable materials are resistant to rust, corrosion and degradation over time, ensuring longer life. So place your orders today and start enjoying the benefits of clean, renewable energy from the sun.